Imagine a stock that's been on a roller coaster, plummeting hard but then suddenly bouncing back up. That's Nikola Corp for you, and today, we're diving deep into why its stock surged by 8.2%. Hold on to your seats, because this ride is about to get interesting. Okay, let's take a look at the news. Nikola Corp's shares have been on a wild ride, trading higher by 8.2% to $1.32 this Friday morning. This surge is a rebound from its recent slump. Over the past 5 sessions, the stock had declined by a whopping 21.6%. So, what caused this sudden change in fortune? The company recently announced a registered direct offering of senior convertible notes, amounting to a staggering $325 million. From this, Nikola expects to net around $124.5 million in proceeds. But there's a twist. A recent regulatory filing by the company indicates that stockholders might resell shares derived from these note conversions. It's crucial to note that Nikola won't receive any proceeds from these sales. But that's not all. Over the past month, Nikola's shares have seen a decline of about 35%. A significant chunk of the selling pressure came after a nearby fire incident, which led to the voluntary recall of over 200 vehicles. This incident also resulted in a temporary halt on new BEV sales until the issues were fully addressed. Now, with all this information, one might wonder, is Nikola's stock a good buy? The company has faced its fair share of challenges, but this recent surge might indicate a turning point. With its stock rebounding from recent lows, it's clear that investors see potential in Nikola's future. But as always, the stock market is unpredictable, and only time will tell if this optimism is warranted. Now, let's shift gears and discuss the upcoming trading session's surge signals for Nikola's stock. We've got some interesting numbers to look at. On the upside, we have surge signals at $1.41, $1.50, and $1.60. On the downside, the numbers to watch are $1.22, $1.12, and $1.03. So, what do these figures mean? These surge signals are essentially price points that could confirm a directional move for the stock. If the stock approaches or breaches these levels, it could indicate a potential bullish or bearish trend. For instance, if Nikola's stock price crosses the $1.60 mark, it could be a strong bullish signal, suggesting further upward movement. Conversely, if it drops below $1.03, it might be a sign of a bearish trend. Alright, folks, that wraps up our deep dive into Nikola Corp's recent stock movements. If you found this analysis helpful, do us a favor and hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button, and don't forget to comment subscribe below, and we'll do our best to respond. Before you go, we have a question for you. Do you think Nikola's stock will continue its upward trajectory, or is another dip on the horizon? Share your thoughts in the comments below.